Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. First, remember that entropy measures the total disorder of a system. When particles move more freely or spread out into a larger volume, the entropy of that specific system always increases. Now look at option B, where liquid water freezes into solid ice cubes. This phase change locks molecules into a fixed structure, which significantly reduces the disorder and the total entropy. In contrast, boiling water or releasing pressurized gas allows molecules to move much faster and spread out. Those processes increase disorder, making option B the only case where entropy actually... Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush.